Unmute yourself.
Sorry. I think I've sent you the photo of all the homework.
On WhatsApp? On WhatsApp?
Oh, yes. WhatsApp, I guess. Yes.
No, there is nothing about this person.
What happened?
No, not yet, not yet. I have not received on WhatsApp.
Okay.
On
I'll just
mail?
send. No. I've not mailed it. I'll send you a WhatsApp. 1 second. I'll send it to you again right now. Just 1 minute. just 1 minute more. Did you get it?
If you look here, you have done one, what you did is correct, but one small mistake you have done. So, first one, the question is -1, 7, 2, and 4. Okay, so that cross multiplication you have written -1 into 4 is equal to -4. That is, you have multiplied this. And then you have written 7 into 2, that is 14. That is, you have multiplied this thing. Correct? Up to your correct? Okay. Now you have done
Yes.
this minus this. This
It'll become
minus this
18.
you have done. No. It is not this minus this, but it is opposite. It is this minus this. So you have to write it like this: -1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. So it will be -4 minus 14. What will this be?
-18.
-18. Did you get your mistake? Yes?
Yes.
Same thing for the next one. Same thing. Can you tell me what will be the answer for the next one? And one more thing is, you don't write it like this. You don't write it like this because there'll be confusion. Write it in one line only like this. Okay?
Second one
See
I
the
got answer
next.
-21.
You have done the same mistake there. So will it be still -21? Look at the screen here. It is 5 minus 7, 3 and 0. Okay, so first you multiply this 5 into 0. Okay, so 5 into 0 minus, then you multiply this.
So first the left side and then the right side.
Yeah. So 5 into 0 will be 0.
So first like this.
Sorry? Yeah.
Okay, so I always start with the right side. Maybe that is why.
No. Yeah. First this way. So this will become -21. And now minus and minus will give you plus. So this becomes +21. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. So do the correction right now.
Is it okay if I do the corrections with the red pen?
Yeah, it's okay. You can do it with any color of pencil.
Yes, done. The next one, fraction one. The simultaneous equation one is right or wrong?
With some,
Can't hear you. Are you on mute?
which one you're saying? No. Can you hear me now? Can you hear
I
me
think you're on mute.
now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah. I can hear you. I can hear you.
Can you hear me? Okay. So what you were saying with simultaneous equation?
The four sums which you had told me to do again, that is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those were done by simultaneous equations from practice at 1.1. So anything is wrong from that, or everything is right?
No, no, correct. Everything is right. Okay. So now we'll do this fraction sum. Can you hear me clearly? Or is there some disturbance?
No, sometimes it's like a crack in the middle, but I can hear you majorly. I can hear you right.
Okay. So we'll do this fraction one. Exact same way. First you multiply these two fractions. So 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus then the other two fractions. So that is 5 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Okay. Now one thing to keep in mind when you're multiplying two fractions, you multiply the numerator with the numerator and you multiply the denominator with the denominator. So
I
here
thought as
7
much.
in
I thought that would be there, but then I thought that maybe it'll be that if to equalize the denominators.
no, that we do when there is an addition or subtraction sign, equalizing a denominator. But when there is a multiplication sign, you directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator.
I thought we have to do that, but I thought maybe it'll be a longer sum and you have to like involve with it. That is why I like did so much.
So now can you complete this? Can you do it right now? Okay, do it right now.
Yes,
Tell
now
me
it's
the answer.
easier.
Okay, do it. Also not one thing, there is a minus sign. So after this, in the next step, you have to do equalizing the denominator if the denominator is not equal.
Okay. But 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 will equal to 7 upon 6 only.
Yes. And then a minus sign. What about this?
No, that I'll have to do the equalization of the.
No. Yeah, this one. Here also there is a multiplication sign here. This two
So
fraction also you have to multiply.
no, but you just said that. Oh, what did
After
you
this
mean to
step,
say?
here, after this step, I mean, to say.
Oh, even after
After this
it.
step.
Okay. I thought that because there's a minus in between of both the brackets, that is why 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2 will become, you'll have to do like 6 upon something like that.
No. Here also you have to multiply both the fractions. 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. So this will become 15 upon 6. Is this clear?
The signs will not change, right?
No. Clear up to here?
Yes. 8.6.
There is a sign.
Minus.
Y minus, I hope you have understood that y minus. Okay, since the denominator is same, this will become 7 minus 15 upon 6. And 7 minus 15 is minus 8 and denominator upon 6.
So that is minus 4.3.
Correct. Minus 4 upon 6.
Done.
Okay. Now we can go to the next part of your exercise, and that is solving by Cramer's rule. Okay. Solve the following simultaneous equation by Cramer's rule. So I'll explain you Cramer's rule in the sum itself. So first I'll do the example sum from the textbook, and then we'll come to the
I
example.
can't hear you. There's lots of disturbance.
Now, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, but it's like a very loud sound.
Now? How is it sound now?
No, I can hear you, but only is that there's lots of disturbance and I can hear a very loud sort of sound.
Oh, loud. Okay. How is it now?
Yeah, now it's
Nice.
right.
Okay. So if there is this, let me know. I think I have just changed my audio setting, so that could be the reason for it. Okay. So we will do the example sum first.
Oh yeah, that assignment also you usually have to complete.
Assignment?
Yeah, all the assignments in the textbook, like fill in the boxes, activities, and all that.
Yeah. I'll come to this also first. We'll do all that. So we'll do this sum first. Solve the following simultaneous equation by using Cramer's rule. Okay, now whenever you're using the Cramer's rule, first what you do is you write the equations. 5x plus 3y is equal to minus 11. 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 10. Okay, now once you write the equation, you write the determinant first. So the first determinant, I will call it as D equal to, and you put the lines. Now, the numbers that you will write inside this determinant will be the coefficients of your x and y. Okay, so if you see the first equation, in the first equation, what is the
3 minus 11.
Yeah, only coefficient, only look at the variables for now. For D,
5
and 3. So first here you write your 5,
2 and 4.
3, and 2 and 4. Now you find out the determinant. What will be the determinant?
14. Second level is the answer.
What?
14 is the final answer. 5 into 4, 20.
Yeah, do it. 5 into 4 minus 3 into 2. Correct?
So 20 minus 16. 20 minus 6, which is 14.
14. So your D is 14. So this you just give it 1. D is 14. Or I'll write it like D is equal to 14. Now, next We have to find out dx. Now, how to write dx? Look at that very carefully. Okay, so this equal to now to write dx, you look at your this thing, the equations, and instead of the first column, that is 5 and 2 here, instead of this, you write what is on your right hand side. So right hand side we have minus 11 and minus 10. Okay, so here in the first column, you write minus 11 and minus 10. This second column, 3 and 4, you write it as it is. Is this clear?
So where did 3 and 4 come?
3 and 4 is the same thing here. This thing. This.
Oh.
This. The y coefficients of y, 3 and 4. That as it is. Only the coefficient of x, that was 5 and 2 here. That was 5 and 2. Instead of this 5 and 2, you replaced it with minus 11 and minus 10. That is the number which is on the right hand side. Understood? Okay. Now you find out the determinant of this. So this will become minus 11 into 4 minus 3 into minus 10. Is this clear up to here? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So minus 11 into 4 will give you minus 44. This minus sign as it is. And 3 into minus 10 will give you minus 30. Okay. So here you will have minus 44. Minus into minus will become plus. So minus 44 plus 30. Can you
Minus
tell me?
14?
Yeah, minus 14. So dx is equal to minus 14. Okay. Now you know how to find out dx. Can you tell me what should be done now for dy?
Minus 10 upon minus 10 and minus 11.
I didn't understand.
Minus 11 and minus 10 in the first column, and then
See, for dy, what you do is you keep this as it is. That
okay,
is
then 5
coefficient.
and 2, and in the other column minus 11 and minus 10.
Yes, correct. So here 5 and 2 minus 11 and minus 10. Okay. See, make note that it is opposite. Okay, it is opposite. When you are finding for dx, you remove x and keep y as it is. And when you're finding for dy, you remove for y and you keep x as it is, coefficients. Okay. I hope no, there is no confusion.
Yes.
So let's find out the determinant. So this is 5 into minus 10 minus 11 into 2. So 5 into 10 will give you 5 into minus 10 will give you minus 50.
Minus 50 and minus 22.
Minus of 22. And now this will become minus 50. Minus into minus will be plus. So plus 22. Minus 50 plus 22. How much is it?
28.
And sign?
Minus 20. Minus 20.
Minus 28. So dy is equal to minus 28. Now, if you note, we have found out three things. We have found out d, that is 14, dx, that is minus 14, and dy, that is minus 28. Now, we have to still find out the values of x and y. We are not finished with the sum yet. So, I'll just write here again. D we got to be 14. Dx we got it to be minus 14. And dy we got it 28. minus 28. Okay, now Cramer's rule, here it comes Cramer's rule. So by Cramer's rule, we can find the value of x and we can find the value of y. So the formula for x is dx upon d, and the formula for y is dy upon d. Now let's substitute a value. First we'll do for x. So dx is minus 14 upon d is 14. What is minus 14 divided by 14?
Minus 1 upon 1, that is minus 1.
Minus 1. And what about y? Y will be minus 28 upon 14. How much is 28 divided
Minus
by 14?
2.
Minus 2, correct. So y is equal to minus 2.
Understood. Should I write it down?
Yeah. Yes.
He's handling for performance and
Can you see the screen clearly?
yes, yes. Done.
Are you done? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's come to the exercise. Okay, we'll do this activity. So write the given equations in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. Now, if you look at this equation, it is y plus 2x minus 19 equal to 0. Okay, so this term is this side, while we have to take this term on the other side. Yeah, equation has to be of this form, ax plus by equal to c. Okay, so what they have done first is, this minus 19 is written on the taken on the other side. It became, and they have written the term with the variable x first. So it is 2x plus y is equal to 19. Is this clear? This step? Yes. And then the second step, your plus 3 is taken on the other side. And that how you get 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3.
Minus.
Now, D. Now these are the two equations. Can you tell me what will come in the first two blocks? What is the coefficient of x
2.
and coefficient of y?
Which is
0.
what?
Not 0. There is nothing. That means there is no coefficient written. So when there is no coefficient written means what is the number?
Because there are a lot of people who
This
came back
one?
and said,
No, not minus. There is plus right here. There is plus here.
Plus 1.
Yes, plus 1. Yeah, plus 1. So what should be right in these two boxes here?
2 and 1.
okay,
2
so
and
national
1. And now we have to do the cross multiplication. So what will come in this block here, this box? First is this way
2
multiplication.
into minus 3.
correct.
So this
they
will
are
be
saying
2. What about this box here?
Not
2
really,
in
let me just write it down and just write that's not completed. Once
what? I didn't understand. What did you just say?
I just said that what we did, like we wrote 2, 1, 2.
Okay, yeah, right.
I did not write all of that. So I'll just write those 3 boxes and then
Unmute. Unmute yourself. You are muted.
oh, sorry. 2 into minus 3, right?
Yeah. And what will come here in this box?
2 into
Like
1.
yeah, 1. In the next step, we have to do the multiplication.
Minus 6 minus minus plus 3.
So how much is now minus 6 minus 3?
Sorry, 2 ones are 2, right?
Yeah.
Not 3.
2. So minus 6 minus 2.
Yes. Hello?
Yeah. So here in this box, so actually I think they have given this box extra. This is an extra box here. So here we'll write the same terms, minus 6 and minus 2. And how much is minus 6 minus 2?
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Just 1 minute, I'll
then
just
I
come
can
back.
decide.
Yes.
Okay. So now we'll go for dx. So you remember, right, what we do for when we write when we find out dx, what do we do? The first column, I'll erase this. That's 2 and 1. Okay. When we find out dx, what do you do? This dx, this coefficient of x, you replace it with the right hand side. So here it
So
will
minus
come
3.
minus 3, correct. So here I'll write minus 3. And this as it is. So what will come in this box here?
1.
Yes, 1. 1. I hope there is no confusion. Is there any confusion? If you are confused, we'll do it again. Okay. Now this boxes here, what to fill? Now you tell me. In this box, what will come? I didn't hear. I did not hear you. Did you say something? Did you give the answer?
Yeah.
57.
Just go box wise. In this first box, tell me.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, sorry. 19 into minus 3.
Minus 3. And here?
1 into minus 3.
Here?
57.
What about the sign?
Plus.
There is a minus 3 here. So 19 into minus 3 will give you?
No, 1 second.
Minus 57.
Correct. And 1 into minus 3 will be?
Minus 3.
And now here it is minus 57 minus of minus 3. How much will that be?
Here they should have given 2 boxes.
Yeah, yes. Here they should have been one more box here. So this, it would become like this, minus 57 plus 3. So that would become minus 54. Correct? Minus 54? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Correct. So let's see the next boxes. I'll erase this. Huh? I'll erase this. Okay. Now dy. Can you tell me in dy what do you do? In dy, this as it is, and here you put the right hand side. This will become 19 and minus. What will be here? No, I didn't hear you. Okay. Yeah. Two. Correct. 2. And what about here? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Yeah. Now this box is? Yeah, you do it first and then you tell me the answer. So we'll check.
Yes, the answer.
Only for COVID.
Okay.
Minus 44. You didn't hear?
You're muted. Unmute yourself. It's okay.
Minus 44.
Final answer.
Yes, yes.
Correct. And saying is that
I had to
from
tell you
a
every box. So first box is 2, minus 3, 9, then 2, then minus
Nine.
6,
वो base नहीं है.
38, and then
What I'm saying
minus 44.
is that I have
38.
given my
38, yeah. Okay. Have you done this part also?
No, I would be written dx
did
upon
not
d,
take,
dy upon d.
Okay.
dependent
So that
types.
is minus
You
54
can now
upon
submit your
minus 8 and minus 44 upon minus 8.
Minus 44 upon minus 8. Okay, so your minus minus cancelled. And how much is 54 divided by 8?
6.75.
What? 6? 8 nines are 54. So how much will be 54 divided by 8? 8 ones are 8 nines are 54.
Eight nines are 72.
Yeah, I did understand. So this would be minus.
And the next one answer is also 5.5.
5.5.
I think something has gone wrong.
6. Sorry, 6. 54 divided by 8, 6.
I think something has gone wrong. This question is right. Is it?
Yes, one thing is wrong. I'll tell you what. This one. This. 2. The 2 won't come.
How?
No, it's correct. It's correct. But I'll just check. 2 into minus 3. Yeah, it's correct. It's correct. Here is a minus minus cancel and just 5.5. Or you can keep it in fractions. And keep it in fractions. 4 2s are 8, 4 11s are 44. So 11 upon 2. So this will become 6, comma 11 upon 2. Is it clear? Any doubts? Yes.
How?
What? 11?
How did it become 11
And
upon 2?
was your mother
Cancel it
part of-
by 4. 4. So you had minus 44.
And cancel 54 upon 8 also by 2.
So then
Same thing you will get if you cancel 54 upon 8. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 7.
Yeah.
what is her date?
Okay, okay. I got it.
Okay. So should I erase this?
Yeah, yeah. Why is it like this? I don't know. Why is it not giving us a proper
Yeah, it's
answer?
okay. Yeah, sometimes we can get fractions also. That doesn't matter. We can get fractions also.
The next activity.
Okay, complete the following activity. Find the determinants in the given equation. I'll just copy this entire thing.
3, 2, 3, 16.
Yes. So 3, 2, and what about this here?
3, 16.
This is a -2. Okay, look at the minus sign also.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I thought you were doing the equal to sign के बाद का. So
3.
yeah, so -2 upon 1.
Don't say upon, it's not 2 upon 1. Say 2, 1. Okay. And final, after finding out the determinant, in this box
How
here.
are you doing? How are you like doing it horizontal?
No, you can write it anyway, but it has to be in a proper order. So for example, 3x
No,
minus.
then write it vertical only because I get confused.
So
No,
2x
then
plus y. So this 3, 2 is here. And this -2 and 1 is here. -2 and 1 is here.
okay. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what will be the...
I thought you took 3x ka 3 and 2x ka 2 and then 2y ka -2 and y ka 1.
Yeah, that only is done. Yes.
Yes,
That
but
one.
I thought you did it like, okay, fine, yeah.
Okay. And now what is the determinant? The cross multiplication thing?
So
Minus
Pooja, I
12.
think
-12. Can you check?
See, 3 ones are 3 minus -2 into 2 will be
maybe give you a different
-4.
answer.
So you have 3 minus and -4. Correct?
Oh, sorry. I didn't mind multiplication.
So 3 minus into minus will become
Plus. So
plus
it becomes
4.
7.
7. So you're 7. Now can you tell me what to write here? Okay, write this first.
Yes. Dx will be 3, 2 and 3 and 16.
For dx, we replace this first column. Okay, see, this is first column, this is second column. Okay, call this as first column, this as second column. So for dx, you replace the first column. With what you replace the first column? You're muted.
3 and 16.
Yeah.
-2 and 1.
This as it is. Okay, now tell me the determinant. Carefully find out the determinant. No mistakes this time.
Minus
whoever is a
96.
consultant.
26.
Minus 96.
96. How did you get 96?
Yes, 3 into 1 and
3.
-2 into 16.
It is not 16. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
It's 16.
I'm sorry. So 18, 36. Oh, sorry, this is 32.
32.
32, yeah. Minus 32 and 3 minus of minus 32 will be 3.
I am multiplying it all the time. Sorry. It's not like that then. It's 35.
Yes, 35. And what about dy? For dy, you replace the second column. So this will become, can you tell me?
Replace it with what?
With this.
3 and 16.
Yeah. First column as it is. Second column 3 and 16. Now can you tell me the determinant? Careful now, don't multiply.
42.
42 या 32, what is that?
6 3s are 48. 3 2s are 6. 48 minus 6, 42.
No. Mistake. Check your multiplication. You said 3 into 16, 48 minus 3 into 6, 3 into 2, 6, and 48 minus 6 is?
42.
Correct. Sorry, I was mistaken. 42. Okay. Now substitute here. So x formula is dx upon d.
No, don't write the formula. There's no space for writing the
So
values later.
35
You've not given many boxes.
35 upon 7. So 35 upon 7 is 5. And y is equal to dy. Dy is not there. So dy is 42. So you'd have 42 divided by 7.
Where is it given that y is 7?
D is 7 here. Look here. D we got 7. No? So it's dx upon d. So 35 upon 7 is 5. And 42 upon 7 is, how much is 42 divided by 7?
6.
6. So x is 5, y is 6.
5,6 is the solution.
5,6 is the solution. Is this clear? This activity, is it clear? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll stop here. We'll continue more sums. We'll do it in our this thing. But the one sum, practice sum that we did, I want you to practice that practice sum again without looking.
What about the practice set?
Solve again.
The whole practice set? 1.3?
No. The first sum that I taught you today from the practice example sum. Yeah, that practice again. Solve it once again properly.
Take a photo and send it to you?
No need. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow.
And what about the mistakes I did in 1.3 question, exercise 2, question 1 and 2 and 3? Should I do that again?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So see you on
I'll
Thursday.
send you the photo of all of that.
Yes. So see you on Thursday.
Thank you.
Hi, Chris. Can you hear me?